Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Greenhouse for AI candidate screening automation, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Greenhouse for AI candidate screening automation, begin by visiting the official Greenhouse website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button located on the homepage. Fill in the required fields in the registration form with your business email address and a secure password. Select your company name from the drop-down menu or enter it manually if it doesn't appear. Choose your company size from the options provided to help tailor your experience. Indicate your role within the organization, such as recruiter or hiring manager. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, and check the box to agree to them. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. After registering, check your email for a verification link from Greenhouse. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, log into your newly created Greenhouse account using your email and password. Navigate to the Integrations section found in the left side menu. Search for the AI candidate screening tool you wish to integrate with Greenhouse. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration setup process. Adjust your candidate screening settings according to your preferences and requirements. Utilize the dashboard to monitor candidate screening results and make adjustments as necessary. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the features and functionalities of the AI screening tool to maximize its effectiveness. Regularly review and refine your screening criteria to ensure alignment with your hiring goals. Monitor candidate feedback to continuously improve your screening process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.